I'm Hetty from Rab and I'm here to talk about our new jacket, the Microlight Summit. So as you probably know, the Microlight is a really iconic jacket. This year what we've done is we've fully refined the Microlight but also brought out a new jacket, the Microlight Summit. Now the technology used in this is absolutely incredible. On the outside of the jacket we've got no stitching, no glue and no heat used. It's made using Pertex Infinity Weave, which adds to the wind resistance of the jacket and also keeps you warmer. Alongside that, we've also got a number of revisions that really have meant this jacket is honed to the mountains. So on the pockets, as opposed to before they were slightly straight, they're now on an angle, which means when open they're not going to kind of bag and let any cold in. Alongside that, we've got the two-way zip for your harness or climbing, and then at the back we've also changed the construction of the hood, so when it's down it lies flat and also stretches to go over a helmet. So all in all, a really exciting jacket. I'll definitely be getting one of these when they're out.